Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am dietitian Sharda. Today we will discuss food in relation to health. So we will see the nutrients and sources and the deficiencies of the particular sources. Then first comes energy and protein. Sources are fat, sugar, cereals, pulses, egg, meat. And this deficiency causes underweight, marasmus and kwashiorkor. We will see the difference between kwashiorkor versus marasmus. Kwashiorkor, the disease is caused due to deficiency of protein. Subcutaneous fat is preserved. Enlarged fatty liver. It occurs in children between 6 months to 3 years of age. Ribs are not very prominent. Poor appetite. You can see the picture. And in marasmus, the disease is caused due to deficiency of proteins and calories. Subcutaneous fat is not present, no fatty liver, it occurs in infants. Then comes calcium. Calcium is a mineral that is very important for the bone. Sources are milk, green leafy vegetables, gingerly seeds and many more. And the deficiency causes rickets, osteomalacia and tetany. Regarding this, we will read in next video. If you like the video, please subscribe and comment if you want to study further so that I can make more videos. And this is the ricket symptoms like fractures, muscle pain and weakness, gait changes, joint and bone pain. These are the symptoms caused in rickets. It is mostly seen in small children. And this is hypocalcemia causes tetany. This is the hand which is showing the hypocalcemia tetany symptoms. You can see in the picture. Then comes iron. Iron is a mineral that is very important for the transport of oxygen. It is a mineral and sources are liver, green leafy vegetables, rice flakes, jaggery and many more. This is the symptoms of deficiency of iron which causes anemia. Common symptoms of anemia include tiredness, dizziness or feeling lightheaded, cold hands and feet, headache, shortness of breath, especially when exertion. These are the symptoms given by World Health Organization and it is followed by the World Health. And next comes vitamin A. Vitamin A sources are liver, egg yolk, butter, green leafy vegetables, carrots and many more. But these are the main common, and it causes the deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. As you know the importance of vitamin A in the body, it is very important for our eyesight. So this is the symptom before and after. The deficiency of vitamin A can cause, it causes the night blindness. We can't see if we have the night blindness. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.